Daniel.
Yeah, it is just Daniel. I mean, respect to Daniel though. Yeah, he's married.
Actual.
Mad married. He comes every week.
Alright,
I know. I should finish every week.
Yeah. We should bring Daniel.
A knock! It's a knock!
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. That's
God.
one.
Yeah, he's punted.
Oh, okay.
God damn.
Well, no, because in base running rules, you guys like.
He beat him out.
Yeah, he beat him out. That's okay.
I mean,
Yeah, it was a grounder.
Oh!
Shit. Probably shouldn't have swung, but
no, dude, that was over the plate. You swing on that every
it
time.
was over my head.
Oh!
Don't catch it, don't catch it.
It's okay, Alan is not a runner.
Alright, good?
Oh, great take.
It's kind of hard. I'm learning zone again.
You are learning the zone.
You're learning it. You're learning. Thank you. You too.
Yeah, so you're gonna set up and then just wait there. Oh!
Did I hit the zone?
That hit that. Okay, the corner.
Okay,
That's crazy.
Too bad.
That's okay.
Get him off it.
Wait, tell Carl. Ask Carl what his plans are.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh!
Right down the middle.
Actually down the middle. That's fine. I gotta get those.
You never know, but like, no one's gonna like be ready. It's up to you, man.
Alright, ready? You want?
Good take.
Good take, good take. 3-1.
Oh!
Did you touch that?
I did touch that.
God, you did.
I like tip that.
Tipped it.
Yeah.
Tipped it, Honda.
Yeah.
Good take, good take.
Alright, now first.
Good work out there. So now you have to get on base.
I am on base now.
No stealing, right? That's too much.
No, no stealing.
Yeah.
No stealing. You have to keep your foot on the bag.
Stealing would be crazy. We really don't. We really don't, Alan. Alright. Ready, Carlos?
Good take. Oh! That's out of here. That's out.
Catch it!
Yeah.
Home run!
Touch the bag.
No, I'm going home. I'm still ahead of you.
You have so many rules. You have to touch at least home. Keep things even. Great work.
Wow.
Good in.
2 out magic? 2 out magic?
Alright. Ready, Ethan? Ready?
Oh! Hold on, someone go catch that. Oh, it's a single. Very nice.
Honestly, if there wasn't no wind, I would have been home run.
No, he kind of like backspun that and like ended up like in the side.
That was fine where it was at.
Yeah, it was fine.
For us. For
That's
us, for
fine.
us.
Oh my gosh.
He's got a man on base. He wants it.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh no! What the heck? No bite! Oh my god! Okay, finally. That's right. Ah.
Yeah.
3-1? Okay.
Look out. You got it, Abe.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm just missing by like inches.
You got it.
I know. Like, yeah, the bat doesn't move. How dare you? No!
He's still potentially out. You gotta grab that.
Yeah, if you block it.
Yeah, the ball's still live.
Still alive.
Look it out!
Man, you're lucky we're not counting any mistakes. That's so hard. How do I fuck that up? I'm pitching righty.
I should have, yeah.
Like it went, the ball went behind me. It's kind of hard to turn around.
Yeah,
Like I either go in the momentum of the ball, or I have to like turn around. That's hard.
I want it.
I heard contact.
No, that was the pocket.
I love the helmet. I want it.
Nice.
1-2. Yeah, damn, I gotta run.
Way to fight it.
Thanks, Ethan.
That's right.
That was a good pitch, dude.
Hey.
You tend to like top height right corner.
Yeah. Got it. in an alley. What the heck? It's like over the plate.
Alan's disciplined, dude.
Yeah.
He knows the strike zone. That's the one right there, right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Plays at one. Actually plays at any base, actually.
Plays at any base.
Any base, actually.
Wherever
the ball is.
I'm gonna just try to get contact.
I'm running on contact.
No contact for you. Stop!
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not. Oh, finally.
You got it, eh? Alright, that's it. Bring it in.
Woo! 0!
Ready, Carlos?
Ready, dude. Pretty good. Nice. That was about as good a throw as you can make.
Yeah, that was a strike. Swing at the strike.
Try pegging Carlos next time.
What do you mean by that?
You can just throw it away.
Ready?
Ooh, nice.
I would hit that into my face.
Just sit middle.
Yeah.
Oh! Foul, yeah.
No idea where it went.
Yeah, we don't, any ball that kind of doesn't get past the pitcher, we just let foul.
Okay.
Oh! Hey, that's a single. We're good. Oh my god! I know, these are the pitches I'm missing because I've asked. Oh! Sword! Not yet. Oh.
Full count.
Oh! Get on the base. Oh. Terrible.
Ready, Carlos?
I'm getting beat. I'm getting beat by a full ball. By a plastic. Oh, okay. We'll remember that.
0-2.
Some gas.
I don't like how that ball moves.
It's just rigged.
got it.
We can reset it. 2-2. 2-2.
I heard it. I thought I saw like the standing.
2-2. It's fine. Yeah, we were playing it. 2-2.
I'm not. We have camera.
Yeah, camera New York. All right. Hey, Carlos. Hopefully.
Yeah, it's Russia like T-Mobile. What would that mean, man? I call that right.
Ready, Ethan?
In!
Damn. Damn. Not third base, might have been. It was close.
That was it, yeah.
Ooh. That was good. That was straight.
Yeah.
They showed that one.
Sidewinder's crazy.
Get more around the ball.
Yeah.
More around it.
Side is crazy.
Oh, shit. Throw it to the floor.
Oh, good save. 1-2,
2-2? All right.
1-2. 2-2.
What's first? Strike or ball?
It's even. It's ball first.
Ball first, okay.
Ball first strike.
Hey! That's a strike.
That's a strike.
That's a strike for sure. That's a great out, man. Let's go.
I watched the video on
You
this.
watched the video. Let's go. Do you have your setter there, Carlos? Yeah.
Ready?
Are you gonna set that up there?
That's good. I like the
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Carlos, get
Come on!
Go!
Go!
Oh, nice try.
Close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every ball, everything. No, use your hands, bro.
Use your hands.
This is a setting. This is setting, bro. No.
Yeah, setting.
Alligator. Alligator.
volleyball that shit.
Ready, Alan? Ah.
Good take, good take.
Hey!
You got it, Alan. 1-1. on.
I was putting on this
All right, thank you.
That wasn't back to swing.
Ah!
Yeah, that's long.
All right, man, I'm first.
Carlos slow walks.
Dude, it's because Carlos is a major leaguer. Okay? All right? You can't rush him. All right, ready, Ethan? That is in a different zip code.
Yeah.
Sorry. Anyone ready? All right, ready, Oz?
Yeah. Oh! What do you mean, bro?
Now, Oz wants
I got
it.
the nastiest stuff right now.
I don't got nasty stuff, bro. All right.
He really got you. I'm on 3Ks right now, bro. It's over for me. Oh my god. I'm arguing and I'm getting strike out.
Alright, one out, one out.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I would have swung that last one either. Trying to get that thing to the top, but never got it until now. I know. What the fuck? I'm getting shit on. I feel your pain, dude. Hey, clip that. Hold on.
Hey, clip it. Alright, you ready, Carlos?
I'm having the worst day right now. I'm all of one game. I'm all day in 3 days.
Oh.
One.
Well, he's at 4, right? I'm 3. He did it again, and it No, he didn't just me. I'm the problem. Just against David. Watch. Any of us?
Good take. Come on, Carlos, you're supposed to swing all this shit.
Hey, I'm low. I'm my feet, bro.
What?
3-2.
3-2?
Or is it 3-2?
Check out.
It's bad, bro. It's just really unfortunate. I'm getting some nasty. You really are. He's like, I'm gonna take it easy on these two.
Oh, no, big loaded.
Yeah, big. Oh, okay.
So there's one on third.
There's one on third. Okay.
No, it's easy for the double play. If we assume the third guy goes to home, then you get the one
Everyone's ready? Alright, Ethan.
It's a slam!
Hey! I did nothing! You go! I did nothing! No, we're 5-0.
And that's what matters.
No, we're 6-0, 6-0.
Oh, gotta go for it.
Now bases loaded. Hi, Ozzy. Back to you. Oh, God.
No, hold on. Alex. Alex got gross. Well, we'll see, maybe. up there or James really don't like him. It seems.
Yeah, 1 out. Alan is not on the plate, which is funny.
It's okay.
Little crooked.
You gotta touch the plate at least. You can fix it. What? Don't move the plate, you shit. What the heck? Still not touching the plate.
Oh,
Ah,
get there,
fuck.
get there, get there.
Touch that, bro!
Oh, dang it. It's because it has a hole in the ball. Oh,
Oh, bro.
break it. I broke the ball. That thing flew like a shit house, dude. Almost. And it's because that thing flew like a brick. Oh, it worked. Yeah, it's just a hole. It just got out.
Alan, sorry.
Get there, get there. I thought he was good. I watched the entire thing. I saw saves.
Yeah.
Hi, Alan. So what? It's two walks. Or no?
You know, me and you together, we have furniture store, right? Ethan Allen? Is that furniture?
Yeah.
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 I'm hit you with the bunk bed.
Oh, wait.
I don't know what you didn't run.
Yeah, what did you run? I'm gonna be honest, I forgot how to base run.
I get it. You run.
I'm like every out in this game, bro.
Okay, let's go.
Goddamn. Having a bad day, bro. Having a bad day.
At least that one went this first.
Fuck.
That was tight.
Yeah, that was gonna go fucking far, dude.
Oh. Oh. Ah. Fine. Yeah, that's fine. It's the only way I can get on base.
someone gets the ball and hits the strike zone, that beats the third runner out.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's that, but that only applies for you.
Yeah.
Because you're the closest
Yeah,
one.
you're the most Yeah.
Yeah, because you're the closest
So
one.
if you field the ball and throw it in the zone, get him out. I like that. Yeah. Third base.
There is something else. No, then we just guard. This is just special.
Hello. Yo. Tired.
Yes! Damn it! Nice!
Nice. Boys ready? All right, ready, Carlos? Carlos, you were supposed to swing on that.
No? No. No?
Good takes. All right, 3-1.
I'll swing on this one.
All right, thank you.
That wasn't back to swing. Yeah, that's long.
All right, man on first.
Carlos, slow
Dude,
walk.
it's because Carlos is a major leaguer. Okay? All right? You can't rush him. All right, ready, Ethan? That is in a different zip code.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh! What do you mean, bro?
No, I was watching.
I got the nastiest stuff right
I
now.
don't got nasty stuff, bro. All right.
I'm on 3Ks right now, bro. It's over for me.
Oh my god!
I'm arguing and I'm getting strike out.
All right, one out, one out.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I would have swung at that last one either. Trying to get that shit to top, but never got it until now. I know. What the fuck? I'm getting shit on. I feel your pain, dude. Hey, clip that. Hold on.
Hey, clip it. All right, you ready, Carlos?
I'm having the worst day right now. I'm all up on one game. I'm all game 3Ks.
Oh.
Come on.
He's at
Corner.
4, right? I'm 3. He did it again, and it finish it. No, he didn't. That's me. I'm the problem. Just against David. Watch. Any of us?
Good take. All right, Carlos, you're supposed to swing on this shit.
Hey, I'm low. I'm my feet, bro.
What?
3-2.
3-2?
Or is it 3-2?
Take out.
It's bad, bro. You just are really unfortunate. I'm getting to the national. You really are. He's like, I'm gonna take it easy on these two.
Oh, no, base is loaded.
Yeah, base is loaded. Oh, okay.
So there's one on third.
There's one on third. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's easy for the double player. If we assume the third guy goes to home, then, you know, he gets the one less.
Everyone's ready? Alright, Ethan.
It's a slam!
Hey! I did nothing! You go! I did nothing!
No, we're 5-0.
And that's what matters.
No, we're 6-0, 6-0. Oh, gotta go for it. Now, base is loaded. Hi, Ozzy. Back to you. Oh, God.
No, hold on. Alan. Well, we'll see, maybe. Either it is just up there, or James really don't like him. Let's see.
One out.
Yeah, one out.
One out. 6-0.
Alan is not on the plate, which is funny.
It's okay.
Little crooked.
You gotta touch the plate at least. You can fix it. What? Don't move the plate, you shit. What the heck? Still not touching the plate.
Oh,
Oh,
get there,
fuck.
get there, get there.
Touchdown, bro!
Oh, dang it. It's because it has a hole in the ball. Oh,
Oh, bro.
break it? I broke the ball.
That thing flew like a shit house, dude.
Because that thing flew like a brick. Oh, it worked. Yeah, it's just a hole. It just got out. I know, we still got
Alan, boy.
Get there, get there. I thought he was good. I watched the entire thing. I saw saves.
Yeah.
Hi, Alan. So what? It's two walks. Or no? Huh?
You know, me and you together, we have furniture store, right? Ethan Allen? Is that furniture?
Yeah.
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 Hit you with the bunk bed.
Oh, wait.
I don't know why you didn't run.
Yeah, why did you run? I'm gonna be honest, I forgot how to base run.
I get it. You run.
I'm like every out in this game, bro.
Okay, let's go.
Goddamn. Having a bad day, bro. Having a bad day.
Yeah, at least that one went this for a single.
Fuck.
That was tight.
That was gonna go fucking far, dude.
Oh. Fine. Yeah, that's fine. It's the only way I can get on base.
You know what? Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. That's fair. To be honest,
If someone gets the ball and hits the strike zone, that beats the third runner out.
yeah.
Okay.
It's that, but that only applies for you. Because you're the closest one.
You're the most
Yeah, yeah, you're the closest
So
one.
if you field the ball and throw it in the zone, get him out. I like that. Yeah. Third base. There is
No, there is something
is.
else. No, then we just guard.
Yeah.
This is just special. It's that one. Are we gonna beat the add one run?
Oh, dude, that's tough. Look at that. I would have won that.
Hello. Yo. Tired.
Yes!
Damn it!
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, piss!
You got it.
Oh, sorry. I was like, no.
No, I'm just gonna defer to you.
Okay, I'll get it. Because I guess pitcher should count. Yeah, I got it. No, but like, that's the rule.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
get it.
It's hard because it's behind me too, right?
Yeah,
So,
you're good. I'll take it.
yeah.
But you're the center.
I'm the center. Yeah, first ball.
First ball?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, dude, I want it.
Ah! That's one. outs.
Yeah, dude.
Oh no! Are you okay, Abraham?
He's pushing them out.
Yeah, it was a headshot. It was indeed a headshot.
Abe, you can go to first. Chris, no way, Chris, you're up. Yeah, aren't you?
Yeah.
And Alan, you're second. I was about to go. Oh, cool.
Oh.
Oh, look it out.
All good. Yeah.
It's floated 2 out. Oh, now you're actually. Look at this. I want it.
I'm gonna catch you. Watch out.
Yeah. Nice! Go! That's it out. That's 3 out. Defense!
Defense, Eric.
Oh.
Yeah.
Woo.
Nice job.
GG's.
Good catch, good catch, good catch.
Thank you.
For the win.
Who needs the hat? Yes.
I retire.
Good game.
Good game.
All right. It's okay, guys. We'll do it
Alright.
next time. Hey, never know.
6, no?
No. Oh,
That's 6-0, yeah,
6-0. Oh, we're not trying that.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Dog ball, and then me.
Carlos, are you still sticking around?